In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in GoHighLevel. We're going from a blank dashboard to a live page you can share. Start by opening the Sites area in your account. This is where all of your web assets live. Inside Sites, head into Websites. Think of this as the home for single landing pages and multi-page sites alike. A landing page is simply one focused page in that list. Click New Website to kick off a fresh build. You'll be asked how you want to start. You can begin from a blank canvas or use a template. Blank is perfect if you have a clear wireframe and brand kit you plan to replicate. If you want speed and a proven layout, choose templates for a head start with structure and styling already in place. Select from templates, then confirm by clicking Continue. This opens the template library. Take a moment to browse. You can scan by industry or style, but more important than the category is the structure. Look for a strong hero section with a clear call to action, a benefits block, social proof, and a concise form or button. Preview a few options and picture your headline, offer, and images in those spots. When you've found a good fit, click Choose Template. This brings the design into your account so you can make it your own. You'll land in the page editor. Here's where the magic happens. Click on any headline and replace the text with a clear promise and a single call to action. Swap images and logos so the page matches your brand, and update colors and fonts to maintain consistency. If the template includes a form, tailor the fields to the minimum you truly need. Shorter forms convert better. Update button text to action-driven language like get the guide or book a demo. Scroll through each section and adjust spacing, icons, and copy. Keep paragraphs brief and scannable, and use contrast that's easy to read. Switch to the mobile view and fine-tune padding so everything looks great on a phone, since most visitors will come from mobile. As you work, preview the page to check flow from top to bottom and make sure every element supports your primary goal. When you're happy with the edits, click Publish. Publishing makes your landing page live and ready to share. You can always return to the editor to tweak copy, images, or layout, then publish again to push updates. That's it. You've created and launched a high-converting landing page in GoHighLevel.